There's 7 days a week.
Stop
These
it.
are 9. There's 9 boxes and there's 7 days a week. So if you want to have a start for a good week, you need to open one more.
Wow.
Daddy, chill.
My first Soul Panda, I feel like I'm gonna cry.
We are unboxing our first I have the set, pero I will only open one per day. We bought Sasha one also kasi
Yes.
super sipag mag-aral. She has very good grades. Good job, girl. Actually, I like them all naman. Least favorite ko lang is Sneaky Chestnut. Sorry, but I still like you. And si Peanut. Pero cute eh. I like everything. I like everything naman.
So cute. Sa akin bukas na eh.
Okay. Kay Sash, alam na namin. But, they're really prettier in actual than the photo. So, help me open this.
Totoong Pop Mart kami. First nating Pop Mart to, because the one we bought is from different. This is our first Pop Mart set.
Why? Hindi ba galing pa?
The other ones we bought are from High Toy.
You're not seeing what?
The other one that we bought is from High Toy.
What's a high toy?
Parang kalaban ato or isang ni Pop Mart.
Okay. Oh, it's our first Pop Mart.
Yeah, this is kaya siya mahal kasi totoong Pop Mart to.
Wow.
And then naman, ina-explain niya, binabalidate niya yung gastos namin.
Make sure walang sayang sa gastos.
Okay, let's go.
Tipo
I
kaya.
got this, by the way, from my commission sa S5S. So, if gusto nyo rin maka-afford ng ganito, mag-refer rin kayo ng clients.
Oh. Correct.
What do you wish for me to get now, Sash? For today?
Yung dog, the red one, or darkness.
Papa, you have knife? Thank you, pa.
Oh, line up! Okay. Ito siya. Wait, kita yung may stand. May stand.
Ganun ba yun?
Like this. Pero parang baliktad. Parang baliktad. Maganda siya.
Just like in the stores. But we have to tuck this in, no?
Sino kaya to? Ay, ito mabigat mix yung...
Yeah. Diba? Siya yung parang may pinakabonggang outfit. Kuya, unbox this na.
I feel like this one mix yung
Oh
pinaka...
This one wants to be open.
Ito yung pinaka maluwag. So this one could be the Sandman or the Peanut.
This one is light also. I think. Try.
This might be darkness or yung Sneaky Chestnut. Kasi if you go up and down, may bump. It's bumping at the end.
Oh, I wanna get darkness first. The black one. That's actually why I got it.
Hindi ko na alam kung ano yung sakit.
I wanna get darkness first.
So, ito talaga yung Sneaky Chestnut eh. Kasi if looking at the top, malaki yung niya. This one. Analysis.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Maybe this.
Where will you
Okay.
open? From the top or the bottom?
I don't need the box naman. Lang, so I'll open it here. For the fun of it.
Ay, sumabay. Oh my God. Tamix, you keep this one, sa. You keep this.
Oh, okay.
Parang may nahulog.
It smells dark. I got it. I got it. This is darkness. Darkness or Cerberus.
Or a farm.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Wait.
3, 2, 1. Oh, it's... Least favorite ko lang is Sneaky Chestnut. It's my least favorite! Is it?
Ito?
It's really...
Open another one.
Oh,
There's
but
only-
it's cute pala. I said this is my least favorite.
Cute
But
naman
it's
siya.
so cute. Oh, why did I see it black? Oh, it's so nice.
Yeah. Sabi ni Tita, I'm sure. So when I'm looking at the card,
Kasi it's black eh.
natingin ko sa card, so ko, oh no. Oh no.
Oh no.
So,
It's so cute.
you should open one more kasi look,
Oh, wow.
there's 7 days a week.
Stop
These
it.
are 9. There's 9 boxes and there's 7 days a week. So if you want to have a start for a good week, you need to open one more.
Wow.
Just to have a fruitful and you.
What?
Bagay to my outfit also today.
It's so cute.
Cute. It's cuter than I thought.
So cute. Oh my
Meron
God.
pa tayong picture.
My first Soul Panda, I feel like I'm gonna cry.
Aw, you like it?
Yes.
Oh wow, they have cute eyes.
So pretty.
Nice choice, ah.
Super. I don't regret
We
it.
just need the case.
Yeah.
Oh, kasi siya, si Moldy Muffin, same yung eyes niya, no?
Opo. But I like
Oh,
this.
kaya pala everybody loves that. Daddy there. Oh,
Oh.
wow.
Eh, bukas na yan. Open one more. For a fruitful.
I think if I open another one, it will be
No, it's
Frankie
not.
Peanut.
It's not. It's not. I feel this is darkness. As in, sobrang luwag.
Darkness ba yung pinaka?
And also, she's not that heavy. Not that heavy. Oh, sabi.
Not that heavy. Daddy, chill.
And also is light. These two are light.
Ang bango naman kasi ng amoy ng bawang bukas na Skull Panda.
You have to be careful kasi anything you can do to
But usually kasi when I open, di ba, Sash, I get what I want
Oo.
first. Now lang, kasi I'm not in a good mood today. Kasi medyo may energy sa
That makes us in, this is, if you want the secret, she's the heaviest, and when you press the bottom, it's a bit bulky.
If you want the secret, she's the heavy.
Try.
There's a secret kasi pa eh.
Anyway, that's it for today.
No!
Bye. Open one
But
more.
I cannot wear her.
Open one more.
Ilan na na-open na?
One lang ako.
Daddy, there's 7 days a week, 9 boxes. I said open 2 for a fruitful and good weekend. It brings abundance to the shop. Di ba pagtambay siya doon?
Yeah,
The-
I'm happy.
She will bring the abundance if she opens
So,
2.
dadaling ko na to sa shop.
This is my money.
Mark that. You open this tomorrow.
This one.
Hindi mo na ng Monday.
You need to buy a case. It's like, what's that sa Christmas? May tawag doon, diba?
Advent
Advent
calendar.
calendar.
Ito here.
Bye!